guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I was at Victoria's Secrets and I had no idea that they actually made makeup. They make lip glosses and lip stains and all this stuff. So I picked up one. This is a Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain. But it actually doesn't look like a lip stain. It looks like just a liquid lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it for you guys. Swatch it. I'm gonna actually put it on my lips and show you guys what the color looks like. I was really impressed because they had quite a large selection of like nudes and mauves and stuff. This color is Bombshell Seduction. So let's see if I seduce you guys with my beautiful Bombshell Seduction. Just kidding. Anyways, let's go ahead and zoom you close up and see if we like this color. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and see. It's like a heavy, thick, it's a thicker, like a cream. So it doesn't feel like super drying or super thin. Once again, it's like that thick cream. Let's give it a few seconds to dry down. So what do you guys think? Does it match? This looks a little bit like more of a mauve tone. On my lips, it looks a little bit more of a pink. So guys, I actually don't think it's gonna dry down. It's already been, what, like 2 minutes? And it's still nice and creamy and flexible. The majority of liquid lips like this, at least with this much pigment, I'm gonna call this a liquid lip. I know it says stain, but I'm gonna call it a liquid lip. The majority of them dry down and then they leave your lips feeling like, you know, dehydrated. This one, because it's a cream formula, it feels great. Look. Like, the flexibility is wonderful. Wow, do you guys like the color? I don't know, but they had a quite large variety. I think they were on sale for like, don't quote me, for $7 or something like that. So this is called Velvet Matte, and I can see why they call it velvet, because it's very, very creamy. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you even knew that Victoria's Secrets has lipsticks and makeup. I had no clue, but I'm actually gonna say I do like this, and I appreciate the formula, because I hate when my lips just feel and aged because it's so drying. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.